One.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the 12 Days of Fitmas. Today is day 9, and today's focus is going to be core again. So for this one, we're going to want to be on a nice matted surface. If you don't have a mat, you can do this on carpet, or if you have a towel at home, just because we're going to be working on the floor a little bit. So the first one is just going to be sit-ups. So we're going to start with our legs bent out straight in front of us. You can have your arms in a variety of positions to make it more challenging. If you want it more challenging, you can have your arms behind your head. If you like it a little bit less challenging, you can move your shoulders, or you can move out to the side. But for this one, we're just going to go up as far as you can, and then return back, and then just repeat those. For our next one, we have the side plank. So for this one, it's kind of similar to the plank that we've had in the past, but this one we're just going to be on our side. So we're going to push up onto our elbow, bringing our hips off the ground, keeping our body nice and straight, and we're just going to hold that position there. And then you'll do that for each side. For the next one, we have flutter kicks. So for this one, we're going to have our legs straight out in front of us, and then we're just going to repeat kicking them up in the air. And then you can make it more challenging by doing your legs faster or slowing it down to make it a little bit easier. For our next one, we have heel taps. So we're going to be sort of in the sit-up starting position. And for this one, we're just going to have our arms down to the side of us. And we're going to take turns, rotating our body out until we can touch our heels, or as far as you can go to each side. For our next exercise, we have bicycle crunches. So we've done these before, so just as a reminder, for these ones, they're similar to the sit-ups, but we're going to be taking our opposite elbow and touching it to our opposite knee. So our hands behind our head, we're going to bring our left leg up and our right elbow, and then we're just going to repeat touching the opposite leg to the opposite elbow. For the final one, we have Superman. So for this one, we're going to be on our stomach. We're going to have our arms straight out in front of us and our legs behind us, and we're just going to extend those, bringing them off the ground, and then return back.